Here, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BMSN. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one multiple times. Can't remember the last time I did it, but this video is going to be very short. Just want to map out a couple levels and just do one major update and to show that the chart so far so good is hanging in there. Kind of close right now, but for the overall picture it's still hanging in there. So what is this one major update that I need to do? Well, if you've watched the videos I've done in the past, if you haven't, you can just go back and look in the video archives. You've seen me talk numerous times about this trend line here, and the reason this one is so important is the price needs to hold above there, and as long as it does, that implies that the overall trend since back here in early May 1st, is still in an uptrend. So the update, like I said, that needs to be done is let's just extend this and see how the price is still reacting around it. So right there, using this spot and this spot, you can see voila. So if you don't believe in charting, right there is a perfect example of how using trend lines could have forecasted a nice little bounce here just by simply using two previous lows. And on top of just showing the power of charts from the charting perspective, it also shows that things are still good. Things are still in an overall uptrend. When I mentioned it's pretty close, you can see it got down here and tested it, but it has since bounced, so that's good. But the further the price can separate it from this green line, example being over here, the better. But at the end of the day, any way you slice it, the key thing that needed to happen is this level needs to continue to hold, and that's exactly what's been going on. So nice to see that this overall trend line is still holding. In terms of resistance levels, the big one that's sticking out short-term wise is this purple line here, which is a 50-day simple moving average. That's valued at 003. And then after that, the next big one is going to be its older brother up here, the 200-day simple moving average at yellow line, and that's valued at 0036. So 003, 0036 are the two current levels of resistance. With any sort of price closes up above the 200-day, I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart at that point, so I'm not going to go any further than that. But the key things are key level of support right here, this trend line, and then the two important levels of resistance, the 50-day and 200-day. Again, 50-day at 003, 200-day at 0036. So all in all, nice looking chart. Good to see that it's been able to hold above this trend line this past week. So if there are any other questions though on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for a free newsletter up there. When you do that, you'll be sent a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews. So I'd encourage you to make an investment into your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was BMSN. Thanks for listening and enjoy your weekends.